In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Figma. Whether you're just starting with Figma or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in creating a new design file by the end. First things first, open a web browser and head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're not yet familiar with it, Figma is a powerful cloud-based tool that allows you to design, prototype, and collaborate all in one place. Once Figma loads, you'll find yourself at the login screen. It's important to have your credentials ready, so if you haven't already set up an account, take a moment now to do so. Log in using your username and password to proceed to the home page. Once you're logged in and on the Figma homepage, you'll be able to access all your existing projects and files. Here you'll see a variety of options like your recent work or files that others have shared with you. Now direct your attention to the options on the left side of the screen. You'll want to navigate to the design section. This section is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create and manage your design files with ease. After entering the design area, locate the main menu, which you can find usually at the upper left corner of the screen. The main menu in Figma acts as your central hub for all file management tasks. It's a bit like the command center for your designs, where you can initiate new designs, open existing files, and more. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. From this drop-down menu, look for the File option. This is your starting point for file management tasks and will be critical in creating new files. Click on File, and once again, a submenu will pop up with additional options tailored to your needs. Within the File menu, you'll find the option to create a new design. This is what we've been building up to. Clicking it will initiate a new design file, giving you a blank canvas to start your creative process. A new tab will open within Figma, presenting you with your clean and fresh workspace where you can start your design work from scratch. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new file in Figma, ready for all your design ideas. Remember, Figma is a versatile tool with a robust set of features, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on making the most out